And welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll tell you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas is trading in this particular zone, okay, because it has moved below a level of $2 zone, which I have already told you. See, a high of this zone is at around 2.0570, which is now the price is trading below this level. Okay, as soon as the price started going above this particular level, we can see there will be a further upside movement. Okay, and one, if it keeps sustaining this level, a further upside movement we can see, but if it comes below this level, again it will move in this zone. Looking at this particular chart, there is a overall trend downside. Okay, and I've already explained you that you have to remember that trend is downside, and you have to remember, try to trade in the trend. Okay, if you are trading in the trend, if you went wrong also, there is a probability that it can come down and then, or even upside. If it is in the trend, you can save your profit, or you can save on the capital also. If you are standing in the opposite direction, then probability of losing the trades will be there. Okay, now what we can see, a swing has formed. From 2 days it is continuously trying on the high side. Okay, looking at the dollar index chart also, you will see that the dollar index is trying to go higher, but it didn't sustain. Okay, it was moving above a level of 103 full day. Now it has come below this level. You have to understand, if the price started going above a level of 103.5, then upside movement we can see. But if started falling below a level of 103, which is now trading below that level, and if it started going below a level of 102.5, and then a further low we can see. So you have to keep it in mind, they are inversely related, but sometime what happened, they both moves in one direction. Okay, so in this case you have to put your SL and trail your SL, so your profit will also be saved and your capital will also be saved. This is what you have to do. Now coming back on the natural gas price, so before I move ahead, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards 2.0570, which is this resistance. So if it started keep moving above this level, we can see it will cross that level, and chances of crossing a level of 2.21070 will be there, which is already being a weak resistance. And if the price moving above that particular zone, we will see it will cross a level of $2.1558, and then a further upside movement we can see towards a level of 2.24, and then from there a level of 2.28. Okay, it seems a small price resistance, but you have to understand that is where the bounce back come, or if it moves above this level, a further upside. As soon as the price started going above this level 2.28, we can see it can go towards a level of $2.42, and then there will be a pattern forming towards 2.4, so chances of going towards 2.6 also we can see. Okay, but as of now we have not seen very big movement in a day wise. Okay, only you can say, see, a high of this zone is 2.708 and a low of around 1.932. Okay, similarly a high of around 2.0 and then to a level of 1.9. So there's not a big movement we have seen, around 0.5 movement dollars we have seen. Okay, now if the price, what we can see, if the price didn't sustain, see, because market is always uncertain, so you have to understand on both the direction. Okay, and always try to put the SL whenever you start your trade. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of $2.0071. Okay, if started falling below this level, it will fall towards a level of $1.940. Okay, and then it will fall further down towards 1.9065. Okay, this is the zone. So if the price started falling below that particular zone, we can see a level of 1.87, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards 1.8. Okay, suppose if the price falling below a level of 1.8, a further fall we can see towards a level of 1.72, which is already being a weak support, so chances of falling further low we can see, and then it can go towards 1.68. Again I repeat, if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of 1.94, and then it can go below a level of around 1.9. As soon as the price started going below this level, it can touch a level of 1.87, then to a level of around $1.72 after crossing a level of 1.8. Okay, this is what we can see, because it will come in this zone. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. Keep that in mind, that if the price sustaining above a level of 2.0507, a further upside movement we can see, but if started falling below this level, it will move in this zone. Okay, but if started falling below a level of 1.92, a further fall we can see, because this level we have not seen since April of 24. Okay, and then a further fall we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. Thank you. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it.